the chop nice. And it just freaking goes when you get on the throttle, man. So what year is it?
It's 2022.
2022. Oh shit, it's like the newest of the new.
Brand new. It's got maybe 4.5 hours on it now.
Alright, this is a 2022 Yamaha YZ450FX. Don't let the white plastics fool you. You know, they come stock with the blue plastics, but he put number plates on white plastics and swapped it up a little bit. I've ridden the YZ450F, the motocross bike, but I haven't ridden the YZ450FX, the trail bike. So I'm interested to see how different it feels. I'm not going to touch trails on this thing today. I'm only going to test it on the motocross track. So I'll let you guys know what I think of it as like a intermediate rider, what the 450FX feels like on a motocross track. Thank you, Dawson, for letting me take it for a rip.
Yeah, man, give it a rip. Let me know how you feel.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
You gonna rip the 450?
Gonna try. As usual, this is someone else's bike, so we're going to be careful, test it out a little bit, but you know, not push ourselves too much. Honestly, I think third gear is just like the magic gear. Every time I put it into second, you know, I kind of have to for some slower speed spots, but third gear is just perfect for this entire track that I'm on. I feel like a lot of tracks you can probably just use third gear only on this thing. Oh, front wheel coming up. Definitely with the intake up front, you can hear the intake sound on this thing. You can hear the intake sound on this thing a lot. I like it. It sounds aggressive. It's barking. Alright, guy, where are you going? Just keep it in third here, no clutch. Oh yeah, don't even need it. Handles the chop nice. And it just freaking goes when you get on the throttle, man. Hold on, boy. Especially in these dry corners, I gotta be careful on the 450. Oh, you get on the throttle, it pulls the front wheel up. Even in the straightaways, it's a beast. It's a monster, man. Suspension is like a dream, honestly. Man, I love how easy 450s are to ride, and this thing feels like a... Like the suspension is so good on it and plush that it honestly feels like I'm sitting on a couch when I'm riding this thing. It doesn't feel like there's a ton of engine braking, but it's definitely there and helps you a nice smooth stop, you know. Like I've ridden other 4-strokes, it feels like they have way more engine braking than this thing does. Ooh, nice smooth traction around that dusty part of the track. Alright, let's try this choker lane on this bike. I've said it before when I rode other Yamahas. The shrouds look really wide when you look at the bike, but honestly the shrouds are super comfortable to hold on to. I really like that aspect of the Yamahas. The shrouds feel nice in between my thighs, you know. I'm not joking, this whole track pretty much except two 90-degree tight corners. Third gear is magic. That corner is so dusty I could just get out of hand on that one if I'm not careful. Also, if your hands are tired, you're gonna get whiskey throttle real easily on this big boy. But for the most part, it's smooth and easy to ride. Like, it's a beast. Yeah, it's a 450, got a lot of power. Got to be able to manage it. But you don't have to rev it out. So much awesome, smooth, usable torque. Man, this bike is so sweet. So comfy, feels easy to ride. I mean, what more could you ask for? It's got a kickstand. Woo. Oh, she's sweet, buddy. Oh, I'm sliding just a little bit. Dry. Take this inside line. Oh yeah, torque powers you through that. No problem. She's wearing out my arms a little bit because it's so fast, but that just means I need to ride better. Get into a better attack position. Woo! Oh man, it's an animal. Smooth. A smooth animal. A very rideable. Like, I could ride this thing all day long in the low RPMs. Just absolutely cruising. It's the type of bike where you feel like you can go fast without having to rev it hardly at all, which honestly helps me feel like I'm in control the whole time. Look at that, that was third gear, so slow. Just lugging it. No stalling. Tons of power to get over those little jumps with no run up. Like when I start with no run up, woo! A little buck there. Oh yeah, just keep it. I need to stop shifting. I need to just keep this thing in third everywhere, pretty much. Third and use the clutches that I should be doing. Alright, let's use the clutch in here. Oh yeah. Why even bother going down to second gear there? No purpose. Third handles it great. Honestly, I don't really want to get off of this thing. It's so nice. Here, I'll shift down a second. Definitely needs it. Alright. Dang. Well, easy to say that I love it. I'm sure a 450 in the trails would be a lot to handle. But this is a 450FX, you know, the woods bike. And it handles the track like beautifully. The suspension might have been soft, but I didn't really notice it. It just felt plush and capable. Engine is so good. I've said it so many times. Third gear is the magic gear. Wow. Really good motor. Love it. Can't say enough good things about it. Dawson, thank you so much. Seriously, thank you for letting me ride it. I love it. And look, it's even got a little... You don't even need to bring your own stand. It's got a kickstand. If you're not like a insanely good motocross rider, this is so capable on a motocross track. That suspension felt great out there, and I'm over jumping some things, casing some things. I don't know, I can't really say anything bad about it. It's a lot of power, and when you get tired, it's a little bit hard to hold on to, but you just gotta be careful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like button. If you want to see more content, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.